मुबारक रहे। बेटा अर्पित, तुम बहुत खुश रहो, तुम्हारा जन्मदिन तुमको बार बार मुबारक हो। तुम खुश रहो हर समय, निष्ठा के साथ तुम हजारों साल जियो।
भैया शुभकामना हो हमारी, थोड़ी तरक्की खूब होवे, खूब तो खुश रहे, अनिष्ठा के साथ खूब अच्छी तरह रहे। अच्छा, अनु को कह रही अम्मा कहे कि ऐसा दोनों ही रहोगे, हमें तो एक बच्चा भी चाहिए। तुम्हारी शुभकामना हमें। अच्छा, हम खुश हो जाएंगे, बहुत खुश है, बहुत खुश है अर्पित बेटे, हम बहुत खुश हैं दोनों से। अच्छा बस, और क्या, ठीक है नहीं
जी।
बस ये बात वहीं ज्यादा की है।
Birthday to Arpit. Have a wonderful day. On your special day, we wish to God for your healthy, wealthy, prosper life. Have fun in your life. Cheers. We will have a special song for you now. 1 minute.
Happy birthday, Arpit. God bless you.
Hi Arpit, happy birthday to you.
Hi, happy birthday Arpit. May all success come in your life. God bless you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे भैया।
हैप्पी बर्थडे अर्पित, तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000।
हैप्पी बर्थडे अर्पित, खुश रहो, स्वस्थ रहो, खुश रखो सबको, लाइफ एंजॉय करो।
हेलो रुपया, हैप्पी बर्थडे। लेटली आपका काफ़ी दिमाग खाया मैंने। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर कीपिंग अप विद इट। हैव अ रियली हैप्पी, वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे। मेनी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे। बाय बाय।
Hello my friend, wish you very happy birthday Mr. Foodie Boy. I am definitely sure Mr. is going to make your birthday special with the special dishes. Let's plan some dip in the coming months and cut your cake specially there. Have a great day my friend.
Hello Arpit, hello Nishta. Happy birthday Arpit.
God bless you Arpit.
Happy birthday भैया। सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, पीहू पीहू तुझे मुबारक खुशियाँ आत्म ज्ञान की। बाय, एंजॉय योर डे टुडे, बाय, ऑल द बेस्ट।
Happy birthday Arpit Chatu.
Happy birthday, Arpit.
Hope you have a wonderful one and I hope it's full of surprises and lots of yummy food. Bye and happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Many happy returns of the day. I want to tell you something very important. तू बुढ़ा हो रहा है। Anyway, I hope you get everything you want this year. And once again, happy birthday, man.
Happy birthday, God bless you.
Happy birthday भैया।
God bless you.
अर्पित भाई, जन्मदिन की आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद हो। इसी के साथ आप मुझसे 1 साल बड़े हो चुके हो, तो बुढ़ापे में अगर इस यंगस्टर की कोई ज़रूरत हो तो हिचकिचाना मत, बता देना, ठीक है। चलो, विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे। हैप्पी 28th बर्थडे। बाय।
हैप्पी बर्थडे भाई।
हाय, हैप्पी बर्थडे अर्पित।
इस बर्थडे तो 35 साल का तो हो ही गया है, तो अब एक लाठी खरीद ले, उसी को पकड़ के चलना। बुढ़ापा आ गया अब तेरे को, ठीक है। और ऐसे ही मज़े करते रहो, सरप्राइज देते रहो एक दूसरे को, एंड हैव एन अमेजिंग ईयर मैन।
और बहुत सारे सरप्राइजेस प्लान करते रहो एक दूसरे के लिए। हैप्पी बर्थडे फ्रॉम आद्या एज वेल। Bye.
Bye bye.
Happy birthday, Arpit. You are a very hilarious person. Hope you are enjoying your birthday days with your lovely wife. Hope and stay home and enjoy the life.
हेलो अर्पित, हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा। हैं आज 28 इयर्स का हो गया। मुझे वो दिन याद है जब कोटा में तू पैदा हुआ था 28 साल पहले। मैं वहीं थी कोटा में, खूब इंजॉय किया था हमने। वहाँ पे रहे थे तेरे वहाँ पे कोटा में। वो घर भी याद है, तेरे को भी खूब खिलाया था, खूब मजा आया था। चलो अब बहुत आगे बढ़ो, तेरी शादी भी याद है उसके बाद अच्छे से। और अब अच्छा है, आगे आगे बढ़ो, खूब लाइफ में सक्सेसफुल बनो। ओके बेटा, बाय बाय।
Hi Arpit, wish you a very happy birthday. I'm sure this year is going to be a good one for you. More of a milestone in your life, and I'm jealous that you and Akash are going to be together and be able to meet each other. Yeah, it's not acceptable. Okay, once again wishing you a very very happy birthday, and thanks Nishta for making this a special one for him.
Happy birthday, Guddu.
Happy birthday.
May your year be as awesome as your email ID.
Have fun.
Bye.
Betty's wishing you a very happy birthday. Thank you for being our beloved dads. We had the best time in college. Thank you for protecting us from Akash. Now you've become old, but still we are beloved dads. Hope to see you soon. Have a great day. Take care.
Hi Arpit, a very 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 happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. So first of all, thanks to your beautiful wife Nishta for trying to bring us together eventually and coming forward and asking me to record this message for you. So yes, very happy birthday once again. Hope you both have a great life ahead. And पूछा तो उसने मुझसे एक memory था, nice memory that I have with you and of you. But all I can say is you are one such friend जब मैं 4 साल की थी मैं तब से जानती हूँ. So I've literally known you for 24 years. And yes, I took medicine and you took engineering, so we kind of parted ways. But otherwise, I still remember coming to your house and playing games at your place with all those sets that Surbhi Di and Swati Di had, and many memories with you, Arpit. So it's very sweet of Nishta to do this. So thank you, Nishta, and a very happy birthday once again, Arpit. Have a great life.
Happy birthday, Gandu. So the best memory of yours I have is when I met you. Prasanna asked you to give me an overview of the trainings which we have to go through. तू आया बोलता यार कोई ट्रेनिंग नहीं है, हम तो 4 बजने का वेट करते हैं, 4 बजते हम लोग चले जाते हैं. मेरे साथ का एक IIT मद्रास का बंदा है, वो तो 3 बजे निकल गया. एंड दैट IIT मद्रास का बंदा वाज अभीश. So that is how we met and that is how I remember you कि हमें बहुत chill life है. Cool, bye.
Hi Arpit, wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday गुप्ता जी.
Hi Arpit और निष्ठा. यार ऐसा सब मैं नहीं करता हूँ. ओके. हैप्पी बर्थडे. और कुछ पता नहीं क्या बोलना चाहिए, बट हैप्पी बर्थडे. एंजॉय.
Happy birthday, Arpit. Many happy returns of the day. We wish you many more happiness and blessings from Almighty God, and have a blast.
Hey dude, what's up man? Cheers to a friendship for 10 years and wish you a happy birthday. Yo.
Happy birthday, dads. I really miss all of us together during New Year's. Hope to see you soon. Take care.
Happy birthday, Arpit. Have a great day. Let's celebrate very soon. Can't wait to meet you.
Hi Arpit, wish you a very happy birthday, bro. Don't do, just chill.
God bless you, Arpit. Wish you happy, healthy and long life. Stay blessed, beta.
गुप्ता जी, इस पावन अवसर पर हमारी तरफ से आपको सादर नमस्कार। हम सभी को पता है सन 250 ईस्वी से ही गुप्ता साम्राज्य ने इस देश को कितना सम्मान दिलाया है, कितनी प्रगति दिलवाई है। आपके जो पूर्वज थे समुद्रगुप्त, चंद्रगुप्त और संकटगुप्त, इन सभी ने इस देश के लिए काफ़ी मेहनत की है और हम चाहते हैं कि आपका ये जो यशस्वी राज्य है वो बढ़ता रहे। हम समझते हैं कि आपने अभी अपने साम्राज्य को बढ़ाने के लिए जालंधर तक भी अपना साम्राज्य फैलाया है। हम चाहते हैं कि आगे आने वाले वर्षों में ये और फैले और देश वो गर्वान्वित फील करे। आपको आपके जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ। हम पूरे शहर में मिठाइयाँ बटेंगी, पूरे शहर में जश्न होगा। सभी को इस बात की बहुत बहुत ही खुशी है आपके इस सालगिरह पे। एक बार और आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। आप लंबी उम्र जिए और गुप्ता साम्राज्य बढ़ता रहे। जय गुप्ता साम्राज्य।
Happy birthday!
Lot of fond memories with you, Arpit. From being your roommate in Tyagaraja Nagar to Manar Elegance, lot of trips with you to remember, Singapore, वगैरह वगैरह. You've always been a small brother, but I've always felt like I've always had a big brother. Always.
My fondest memory is the anniversary, your anniversary we celebrated in the lockdown. That was real good fun. Yes, so happy birthday again.
Arpit.
Wish you a very very happy birthday, Arpit.
Happy birthday, Arpit.
Enjoy the day, have fun.
God bless you.
गुप्ता, many happy returns of the day. लेट 20s में आ गए हो ऑफिशियली अब तुम, ठीक है। अब 2 से 3 होने के बारे में भी कुछ सोच लो, ठीक है। बाकी तो पेंडेमिक वाला बर्थडे, ज्यादा बार मत निकलो, घर पे सेलिब्रेट करना मैडम जी के साथ और मेरे तरफ से भी पार्टी करना, मतलब समझ गए ना, ठीक है। चलो, many happy returns of the day. God bless you. Bye.
हाय अर्पित, मुझे बोला गया है कि दैट आई कैन टॉक गुड और बैड थिंग्स अबाउट यू। सो अगर बुरी चीज़ें बोलने लगूँगा तो शायद पूरा दिन निकल जाए। सो लेट मी जस्ट स्टिक विद गुड थिंग्स। आई थिंक यू आर वन ऑफ दोज पीपल जिसके सामने मैं हंसा हूँ, रोया हूँ, बदतमीज़ी की है, दुखी हुआ हूँ, नौटंकियाँ की है। I think all this is because the kind of person you are. You are very comforting, you listen to people, very patient, down to earth, and most importantly you are a very good person at heart. So I think I can say that अगर तू नहीं होता तो मैं शायद अभी भी कहीं बेड पे बैठ के फीफा खेल रहा होता। तो whatever progress I have made in my life, I think you have played a major part in that. I have learnt a lot from you. Yeah, I miss you, man. I miss those days. I hope all the good things for you. Wishing you loads of happiness in life. A very happy birthday, and I hope you have great year ahead. Bye bye.
बार बार दिन ये आए,
बार बार दिन ये गाए,
बार बार दिन ये आए,
बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल,
ये मेरी है आरज़ू।
Happy
birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Arpit. Happy birthday to you.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday, Arpit. Okay, cool.
बर्थडे मामू। हाय अर्पित, कैसा है? मौसा जी, मौसी जी सब कैसे हैं? निष्ठा कैसी है? We all wish you a very happy birthday. Have a blast on your birthday. Have loads of fun. Have a good health. Everyone, wish you a very happy birthday. Bye bye.
Hello Arpit, wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Have lots of fun.
eat lots of cake. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Arpit Mama ji. Happy birthday, Mama ji.
Happy birthday, Arpit. Many happy returns of the day. Enjoy your day. Have fun. God bless you. हो हर दिल की मुराद पूरी तुम्हारी और मिले खुशियों का जहां तुम्हें जब कभी मांगो आसमान का एक तारा भगवान दे दे सारा आसमां तुम्हें खूब मजे करो खूब स्वस्थ रहो हेल्दी रहो और खूब सक्सेस पाओ ऑल द बेस्ट एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू
हैप्पी बर्थडे अर्पित बेटा दीर्घायु हो खूब खुश रहो दोनों
हैप्पी बर्थडे अर्पित गॉड ब्लेस यू
विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे अर्पित गॉड ब्लेस एंजॉय योर डे
wish you very happy with Arpit. Have fun.
Hi Arpit, I hope you and your family are doing well. And I wanted to quickly wish you a happy birthday from me from the Netherlands. I hope you are doing well. As a class representative, you used to organize all these events, but must be nice that someone else is organizing all these events for you. Anyway, have a good one, brother.
Hi Arpit, many happy returns of the day, and I would like to also wish you in German alles Gute zum Geburtstag, and also thank you Nishta for connecting me to Arpit again.
Hi Arpit, wish you a happy birthday. I terribly miss the fun days we used to have at Mana Elegance. Hoping to meet you soon. Wish you a happy birthday again. Bye.
Hey, happy birthday Arpit. Meet us soon. Missing you.
Hey Bhagat, many happy returns of the day. The first thing that comes to my mind these days whenever I think of you is the way you take me place for not letting you know in advance about my India travel. That's the warmth you have always shown towards me. I would say I'm lucky about that. I'm really excited that you and Nisha have decided to move to Bay Area. It's going to be a lot of fun. I miss all those fun weekends we used to have wherein we used to go early morning and play badminton, cricket. Remember, I used to win all the time. Anyway, happy birthday bro. Have a wonderful day. See you man.
Hi Arpit, wish you a very happy birthday. I hope you have a great day and a very wonderful year. It's been a long time. I hope to see you soon and meet you when I come to India. But a very happy 28th birthday again. Bye.
Hey Arpit, I'm gonna keep this short because I'm sure Sachin's video would have given you a headache. We've been friends for about 10 years now. From working on CAT together, endless night outs, trying to find cheap place to have lunch. We've spent a lot of time together, but not nearly enough. You're the most positive person I've ever met, and I'm lucky to have met you, more so for being your friend. Now, if you're wondering why I'm saying nice things about you, Nisht asked me to do so. You're lucky to have her. In all seriousness, I miss you. I wish I could have been there. Have a wonderful birthday. Stay blessed. Signing off. Probably your only friend who has puked on issue. See you.
Don't do surprise. It's your day today. Wish you a very happy birthday. I hope the day is going as special as you are to all of us. I just want to say that thank you so very much for wonderful years of friendship so far. I miss you guys. Love you so much, and I hope today you are reminded of all good things, all awesome things that you are. Enjoy your day and drink on me, guys. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. From Fulan Devi.
Hi Arpit, happy birthday. Wow, Starpit or Gupta ji is how we fondly remember you. I think we go back all the way to the final year in college. I still remember that day where all of us were meeting for the first time. That's the day where the placement coordinators gathered in that room. So many unfamiliar faces, but you were the first person I ended up speaking to. And I think after that, the whole year, I've made some of the best memories I could with all of you. Coming into college every day, attending those sessions, helping with organizing, and the times that I've spent in the placement block with all of you, lunch, hanging around till the results were announced. Sometimes it could go all the way to dinner. And I think TCS recruitment was one of the most memorable times that I've had. God, it just gives me goosebumps even thinking about it. But what's really important is even after we graduated, even after we went around doing our own things, I'm so glad that a few of us stuck together and really, connected and kept in touch. And you've been such a big part of it because you made sure that we stayed together as a group, and every time someone flew down to Bangalore or someone was here, we all connected, we all met, and we had some great times. The list is endless. We went to Wonderla, we've all gone to 1131, Black Rabbit, Hard Rock, Monkey Bar. I think I'm just so glad that I've had such wonderful memories and moments with all of you. So I just have the best wishes, and I just hope that you stay happy and you enjoy a lot of success, and you keep in touch with all of us. So here's wishing you a wonderful, wonderful birthday. Have a great year ahead, and here's wishing you and Nishtha many, many more years of togetherness, happiness and love. I can't wait to meet you all soon. Take care and lots of love.
Happy birthday, best
Happy birthday, Jiju. God bless you.
हैप्पीएस्ट बर्थडे पुप्पा जी, कंग्रेचुलेशंस. बड़े बड़े लोग हो गए हो अब आप तो, और अब आप जैसे जल्दी जल्दी पूरे हो रहे हो, तो हमें छोटा सा बेबी चाहिए. अब आपको पता है, वो बाबा जी ने भी कहा था कि होने वाला है, तो आप जल्दी से कर दो और अच्छे से एंजॉय करो अपना दिन. और हमें बड़ी सी पार्टी चाहिए जब आप मिलोगे, बहुत बड़ी पार्टी. ठीक है.